thing. Oh. Okay, and we are live. So welcome back to the White Sponge live stream. My name is David and I'm your host as always. Okay, so let me just make a quick tweet and okay. Okay, so as usual, sit back, relax, and chat about anything that you want to chat about. Okay. For today's live stream, we'll be making some changes to one of the characters' special skill. Okay, and his name is Beats, the first character that you can play in Stellar Stars. Oh, and by the way, if you have not downloaded the latest game patch that was just released yesterday, yeah, do so. Okay, you can grab it from whitesponge.com. Okay, so the game patch is for both the demo version and the paid version. Okay, yes, I'm still supporting the demo version. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the demo version not getting the latest update. Okay, but of course the paid version will have more game content, okay, such as more characters, and you will be able to explore the later worlds, okay, as compared to the demo version. But anyway, okay, let's get back to the live stream today. Okay, let's pause the background music. Okay, let me just change this. Okay, back to Windows. Oh. Hey, you're the first to arrive, man, Anasazi. So welcome back. How was your day, man? Oh, hey, welcome, Cartridge Kid. Welcome to the live stream. How's your day? Okay, let me just set some of the settings back for Windows. Okay. Oh. Hey, glad to hear that, man. I'm having a great day as well, and from some consideration yesterday, I've decided to change, or rather I've decided that, okay, we are going to change Beat's special skill, okay, which is the 5-hit combo. So instead of the current version, which is, okay, let's take a look at the current version. Oh, and by the way, I have moved the Windows laptop, okay, onto the other table, so the background might be slightly different now, okay, and I am much closer to the whiteboard. So if we do need the whiteboard, okay, on the live stream, okay, you will see that I will move the camera around. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not that obvious. Okay, so Beat's special skill, the 5-hit combo, okay, currently when you activate it, okay, Beats put on his special skill, or sorry, his headphone, and he instantly teleports to wherever the nearest enemy will be at. Okay, so because we are adding multiplayer, okay, so we have to take into consideration the 4 characters and their special skills. And if Beat's special skill stays the way it is, it's kind of overpowered. So I'm going to make some changes to it. So at least when you play off against other characters or other players, okay, it's more balanced. Oh, and by the way, I was waving to a friend from another local game studio. Okay, so instead of Beat teleporting to the nearest enemy, okay, what I'm going to do is to change it. Okay, so that instead of teleporting, Beat will dash forward. Okay, and if there are any enemies in his path, then okay, those enemies will be damaged for 5 consecutive hits. Okay, so the so-called line of damage is just a straight line in front of Beat instead of a space around him. So it's more balanced in that way. So if for example, if you use Beat in a match versus say Asuka or Ro, okay, so it will be a more balanced match. Okay, so that's why we're going to change Beat's animation for his special skill and how it works as well. Okay, in preparation for the upcoming multiplayer. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to take a look at the script and prevent Beat from sort of teleporting. Okay. Okay, and this will also fix the bug where after using Beat's special skill, okay, you will sometimes end up stuck in a platform. Yeah, so this will also fix that bug. Okay, so let's comment this line. Okay, so uncomment if want to if one bit to teleport. Comment for dash version. Okay, and another important reason that we are changing this special skill is because, okay, currently the 5 hit combo is kind of slow if we bring it to the multiplayer arena. Okay, because if we bring it to the multiplayer matches, okay, it's going to be rather fast paced and beats current special skill. Okay, it's kind of slow where each of the hits is one animation. Ooh. Hey, yeah, try not to rush it. In a way, you should take it slowly and plan and carefully plan and design your game before jumping into it. Yeah. Yeah, the more time, I wouldn't say the more time you spend preparing for it, it'll be better, but getting more ideas out, maybe via sketching, can really help. Oh, okay, and this is for rotation. Okay, so let's comment this. Okay, this is for uncomment if want to rotate. Yeah, you do have a point where since the match will be rather fast paced, it could be interesting to have a slow attack. Okay, so instead of the special skills of the character slowing down or being slow attacks, okay, we could have slow spells or spells that take longer to cast, or spells that have a longer cooldown delay. Oh, by the way, you are still going with your space idea, right? Take damage 1. Okay, that's right. Oh. Okay, that's a good question, man. Okay, so you get spells through random pickups. Okay, the stars will spawn randomly in the arena or in the multiplayer stage. Okay, but okay, the character grows. Okay, so or rather when you level up, okay, you can choose how you want to improve your character, but that's for the single player. So for the multiplayer, okay, you'll be able to choose which character growths that you want to bring with you to the match. Okay, and of course it will be from a list of random options. Okay, let's comment this. Okay, let's comment this as well. Okay, so in terms of the animation, okay, we need to make some changes. Okay, first hit. Okay, so for the animation here, okay, so we have to move this away. So this portion here will determine the animation with the dash lines, okay, either facing right or left. Okay, so if first hit over here, okay, okay, so I will have to move this above. Okay, and okay, we have to check for this. Okay, so we will know if you have dash to the right or left of the of any enemies. Okay. Okay, else. Yeah, it's kind of messy right now with all the commenting and random comments here and there. Okay, so if player has dash 2 the the left of the enemy. Okay, if player has dash to the right of the enemy. Okay. Random angle. Okay, so that means we do not need the angle anymore, since we are not rotating bits anymore. Okay, I'll just leave a comment here. Okay, just in case we need to revert to the old version. Okay, so this is actually getting kind of messy. So what I'm going to do is to sort of, okay, I wouldn't call it starting from scratch. Okay, but yeah, okay, I'm going to take a look, starting right from the beginning. Okay, where we activate the special skill. Okay, and so that is here. Okay. Okay, so we do not need to disable gravity anymore. So let's comment this. Okay, and instead of searching for the nearest enemy, okay, we'll just do a quick sort of physics line or ray casting. Okay, either horizontally to the left or to the right. Okay, depending on which direction you are facing. Okay. So I'm just going to comment everything here. Okay. Okay, so float. So we'll first do the ray casting. So float direction X, let's say it's by default towards the right, so it's positive. Okay, but if we are not facing right, okay, we'll set it to negative. Okay, so besides this change in beats special skill, okay, I will also add a few small musical notes animation to sort of juice up the animation. to make it more interesting. Okay, because after all, Beat is putting on his headphone. So before he does that animation, okay, we will make some musical notes animate around him. Okay. Okay, let's see. True. Okay, so now we'll need to do the ray casting. Okay, so ray cast 2D. Okay, we use an array. Ray cast hit 2D. Hits equals to physics 2D dot raycast all. Okay, and the reason why we are using raycast all is because there are other physics 2D bodies in the world, in the game world, so we need to make sure that we get everything and filter out that which we do not need. Okay, so direction will be new vector 2. Okay, x will be direction x, y will be 0. So just imagine a sort of imaginary line shooting across from where you are to either left or right, and let's say maybe a distance of 2.0. Okay. So we'll just do a simple for loop. Okay, to loop through all of the the raycast hit 2D. Okay, hit equals to hits I. Okay, let me just add a small comment here. Okay, do a ray cast either left or right to see if there are any enemies in the line of fire. Yep. Okay, so if hit dot collider dot game object dot tag is equals to this dot tag. Wait, let me see. Control C. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so once we have changed this special skill, okay, we'll move on to creating the user interface for the game room which you can create. So to give you a rough idea of what the game room will eventually look like, okay, let me show you some of the pictures here which I've created, or sort of you could say that they are mock-ups or prototype interface. So it's similar to when you sketch out ideas. Yeah. So I've created 5 versions. So this is so this is version 1 of the multiplayer game room. Okay, where you have an area for you to chat. Okay, the 4 players. Okay, and their username each in different colors, so that you can differentiate them from which color they are. Okay, and this center area, okay, will be a banner or an image banner that will represent the stage that you have selected. And I will of course include random as well. Okay, so this is version 1 and this is version 2. Okay, so version 2 where the players and their characters are all in one area or group together. So at least the flow of reading the information is not broken. Okay, unlike in version 1. Okay, and this is version 3, which is okay, I do find that version 3 is neater. Okay, because okay, I have removed the characters and just replace them with icon. Okay, so this small icon over here will represent which character you have selected. So it's even easier to sort of scan through all of the 4 players and which character they selected just from top to bottom. Because your eyes, okay, it's easier to scan through things if they are aligned, either vertically, okay, but they must be of the same alignment. So either left aligned or right aligned. Okay, and in this layout, at least we have more breathing space for the various elements. Okay, so this is version 3. Okay, this is version 4. Okay, now that I think about it, we actually do need to include another information. Okay, and that is the character growths that you have selected to bring with you to the match. So things like sinker, where you fall faster from platforms, or things like wall jumping, or even drink up, where you get health or HP absorbed. So we need to show those. Okay, so I have not added that yet. Okay, but for right now, I do prefer version 5, which is this, and version 3, which is this. Okay, do let me know if you prefer any versions. Okay, let me just open this up in Yeah, in paint. Okay, so we will need to add oh, that's true. Yeah, I do like how version 3's okay, where the characters and their ready status is just in one straight row or straight column. So if everyone is ready, you can see 4 ticks, 4 green ticks in a straight row. Okay, but we are missing one crucial information here. Okay, and that is the character growth that you can bring with you into the match. So those are things that in the single player mode, okay, you have to level up to get them. But for the multiplayer mode, you can choose from a list of random options. Okay, so to include that information here, okay, let me see. Okay, maybe we will have 3 small icons here. Oh wait, size. Yep. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so you are thinking, okay, like you really do think like me, where yeah, so I do plan to have at least or to allow you to choose 3 out of 9. Okay, because if we just allow you to choose 1, that will be kind of limiting. So yeah, to be fair enough, we would allow you to choose 3. So 3 small icons here, but okay, but even though on this sketch version, it looks like it's smaller than the icon, the character icon, but when we do actually design this small icon here, okay, the size might change. Okay, so we have to take consider that, or take that into consideration. Okay, so this is something to look forward to after we have change Beat's special skill. Okay, so for now, keep this in mind, and okay, let's go back to Beat's special skill. Okay, over here. Okay. Okay, so even though we are changing how the special skill works, okay, it is still a 5 hit combo. Okay, so okay, the 5 hits will only hit. Okay, so we have to make sure that only 5 hits are dished or dealt out. So that usually consists of just 2 enemies getting hit. Yeah. Okay. So enemy hits enemy goes to hit.collider.gameObject. Oh. Okay. Get component enemy. Okay, so that means we have to set a limit for the number of hits, which is number of hits equals to 5. Okay. Okay, so before we actually do the damaging of the enemies, okay, let me just, okay, let's see, okay, I will add a boolean here. Okay, so the flow of the special skill will consist of Beat putting on his headphone and dashing forward. So let's do the dashing forward first before we do the 5 hits combo and animation. Okay, so let's do it step by step. Okay. So that means we have to push Beat forward. Okay, yeah. So to do that, direction 1.0 minus 1.0. Okay. So I'm just going to do a simple add force to push Beat either left or right. Okay, new vector 2. Okay, so direction X times, okay, let's say move force. Or default move force. Okay, let's just use move force, comma 0.0. Okay, we'll use impulse, force mode 2D.impulse, so that the force is extremely fast. Okay, for now, we'll just test this out. Okay, so what we should see is by activating Beat's special skill, okay, we should just see him put on his headphone and dash forward. Okay, and nothing else will happen. Okay, let me just add a comment here, make bit dash forward. Okay, we also need to revert back to normal. Okay, so let me just do that here. Okay, so in a sense, now his special skill is more straightforward in terms of how we implement it. Okay, so 0.01, maybe after once. Okay. Okay, so let's test this. And if you have seen how I add new stuff or change things, okay, usually when we test it for the first time, okay, it will not work, okay, most of the time. Okay, but if it works, okay, that will be a miracle. Okay. Whoa. Holy shit. Okay. So bit did dash. Okay, so he did indeed dash forward. Okay, but we need to tone down the force applied. Okay. Okay, that was funny. Okay, default move force. Okay, let's bring it down to 0.1. Okay, so now we are bringing the dashing forward force down to 10%. Okay, of what you have seen previously. Okay, or another way is to just change his position. Oh, yeah. So a better way, I think, is to just change his position so that it's instant. Yeah. Okay, so instead of using physics to move him, okay, let's comment this. I'm just going to change his position. Okay, so transform dot position goes to new vector 2. Okay, so transform dot position dot x plus direction x times, say, okay, just for testing purposes, maybe 2.0. Okay, so now bit will actually just appear immediately at the end position. Okay. Okay, let me try that again. So okay. Okay, we will revert back to normal maybe after 0.71. Yeah, we should be faster. Okay, and based on okay, based on either or rather based on whether bit is facing left or right, okay, we'll yeah, it's we are doing it step by step, so yeah, it's a good start. Hey, what's up, Doki Doki Senpai? Hey, that's a rather cute name you have there. If facing left, okay, if facing right. Okay, left. Okay, facing left. Oops. Yep. Okay. Okay. We don't actually need this. Okay, but we do need to change this to right. Okay, so this, okay, these two triggers in the animation, okay, should show us the dash lines, okay, for the dashing forward animation. Okay, show the dash lines. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at what that does. If by the way, if anyone is curious about what Doki Doki Senpai actually means, okay, Senpai means senior in Japanese, and Doki Doki actually is sort of a description of your heart beating fast. So when you put Doki Doki and Senpai together, okay, that means that this senior makes your heart beat fast. So it could be a senior that you like, or that you have a crush on, or you are infatuated with. Cool. Okay, so that was the dash lines. Okay, let me try the other direction. Oh. Okay, so we have the dashed lines now. Okay, yeah, okay, we have to change this so that the animation will show Bit taking off his headphone faster. Okay, Okay, so that's the animation for Beat himself, but we have to add new animations. We have to change how the enemies are damaged. Okay, before that, let me just test it again. Okay, to test the delay before Beat reverts back to normal. Okay, so we still have to reduce this delay. Okay, let's it's important to sort of get the timing right so that the flow of the animation is smooth. Or at least that's what I feel. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's faster now. Okay, let me try that again. Okay. Okay, so the next thing that we need to create for the animation is the musical notes. So let me just, yeah. Okay, let me just create the musical notes real quick on my MacBook Pro on my right. Okay, so just give me a few minutes. Okay, in the meantime, if you have any questions for me, do let me know. Oh, hey, Doki Doki Senpai is back. Oh. Hey, what's up, Billy Joe 91112? How's your day, man? Okay, this will not take too long, I hope. Oh, hey, yeah, I've not asked you this, but how's your chair coming along? And oh, sorry, how does your chair feels, Anasazi? Or rather, how's your DX Racer chair? Oh, what's your old chair? Is it, oh, okay. Oh, does the DX Racer chair does it have somewhere for you to place a cup or a mug? Oh. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this. Okay. Okay, let me just show you the chair I'm sitting on right now. Okay, okay, let me just see if I can move the camera down. Okay, yeah. So this is, I guess, just a normal office chair, but yeah, it's more than enough. Yeah, it's just a plain black office chair with side handles for you to place your hand on. Yeah, but that's about it. And it's comfortable. It's comfortable enough, so I guess that's most important. Oh, that is a rather big desk you have there. Oh. Yeah, that's true. Oops, okay, let me change, let me just move the camera back. Okay. Yep. Oh, that's true. Yeah, I kind of understand that because your sitting position will actually affect your back as well, or rather how you sit. Oh, and by the way, this is the whiteboard that I was talking about just now. Okay. Okay, right now I'm just creating the sprites for the musical notes, okay, that we will be animating for this special skill. Okay, so I'm gonna do something now, and that is to take a look at some musical notes. Damn, I'm really bad at this. Okay. Images. Huh. Okay, so most likely we'll be creating a double musical note, so something like this. Okay, but of course in pixel art form. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, I'll create a few versions so that the animation will not be that repetitive. What else? Oh, hey, what's up, man? Tokafita? Are you having a great day? And by the way, if you were wondering why we are looking at a screen full of musical notes, okay, that's because okay, I'm creating a pixel art version of some musical notes, okay, to animate for a character's special skill. Okay. So that's why we are looking at a lot of musical notes now. Okay, but I roughly got the idea of how I'm going to design the musical notes. Let me just move my chair slightly to the right. Okay, let me take a look at that. Oh. Hey, I don't think it's dirty, so yeah. Trust me when I say that your desk is much cleaner than mine. Oh, is that me on the image? Oh, hey, by the way, what mic are you using? Oh. Okay, wow, that's okay. That is an awesome name for a mic. Okay, let me just take. Okay, let me just do a quick Google for that. Whoa. Okay, looks really cool. Ooh. yeah, you do need the pop filter for the sound to be better, I guess. Yeah, but I do like how the Razer Siren is, yeah, how it looks, the black and green. It really looks quite cool. Oh, are you planning on getting the pop filter from Razer as well? Yeah. Okay, if that's the case, that's kind of not, yeah, it's not flexible in that sense. Okay, so the pop filter that I'm using right now is actually, wait, if I recall, it's around $14 US. So I ordered it from Amazon online. So it came with the Blue Yeti, which I got it from Amazon as well. So it's yeah. Oh, okay. So the pop filter which I'm using, if I recall, yeah, this is the pop filter which I'm using. So it's quite flexible, where you can just sort of use this portion here to clamp it onto any surface that is not thicker than this portion. So in that sense, it's quite flexible. Yeah. So this is what I'm using with the Blue Yeti. Okay, by the way, I have just finished designing 3 different musical notes. Okay, I'm now going to export them. Okay, just give me a few minutes more. Okay, I have exported and put them on Dropbox. Okay, so let me just download it from Dropbox now, so that you can use it in the game. Okay, download, and download. Okay, so over here, characters, players. Okay, show in Explorer over here. Yep. Okay. So these are the 3 musical notes. Okay, let me just change some settings for it. Points. Oh. Okay. Hey, what are you waiting for, man? Go grab some ice cream. Okay, let me just move the sprites here. Oh man, I love cheese, man. Cheese on pizza. Hey, that just gave me an idea. Have you tried cheese with ice cream? Okay, animations. Okay, then you shouldn't wait for it. Yeah, you should try it now. Try it now, man, and let me know how it tastes like. Oh man. Yeah. You do have some expensive taste buds. And do. Okay, let's set this as 4 or maybe 5. And okay, let's add a component to the musical notes. Okay, let's call it. Okay, let's add the self-destroying object script. Okay, so this is a script that I have created so that any object that you have created, okay, will be automatically destroyed after a specified amount of time. Okay, so let's try 5. Okay, maybe 3. Yeah. Shake, vibrate, no, move, okay, we'll use another script here, and that is the scheduled moving object. Oops. Okay, so what this does is that it will move the game object to whichever direction you want. But of course we are going to make it move randomly in random directions. Okay, do not move back, and delay before move. Okay, we set that as 0 so that it will move immediately. Okay, this will be random as well. Delay before stop. Yeah. Okay, so we have the 3 musical notes here. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, now that we have created the prefabs for them. Oh, is the camera moving by itself? Ah, interesting. Okay. So we need to link these 3 musical notes with our beats, our first character. Ah, that's interesting. Hey, thanks for the follow, Warlag. Whoa. Are you sure you can ban me? That's interesting. Okay, so we'll be animating the 3 musical notes here, okay, in this portion before Beat puts on his headphone. Yeah. Yeah, if I'm right, the broadcaster is can be considered as the admin of the channel, so that's why. Okay, over here in this player special region, okay, I'm going to create a new array of game objects. Okay, for us to link the 3 musical notes. So I'm going to call it special. Okay, special game objects. Special game object prefabs. Excuse me. Okay. So this is what we have just created. So let's set it as an array of 3. Okay, and we can just drag and drop the musical notes to it. Okay, so by doing that, we can now create multiple copies of the 3 different types of musical notes over here. Okay, let me just do a quick stretch. Okay. Dot bit. Okay, over here. Okay, we will use, let's see, how many musical notes do we want to display? Okay, let's use a random number for that. So from around 3 to 4. Okay, so random number nodes equals to random.range, range 3 to 5, which means either 3 or 4. Okay, so we use a simple for loop here. Okay, and this is where we will also randomly choose a type of musical note to create or display and animate. Okay, random.range 0. Okay, special game objects prefab.length minus, we don't need -1. Okay, because random.range starts from the first number here to -1 from the last number here. So if there are 3 items here, this will be 0, 1 or 2, which is what we need. So game object random note equals to, so this is where we actually create our musical notes. Okay, special game object prefabs random type. Okay, so this will allow us to randomly create or randomly choose one of the 3 types to create a musical note of. Okay, let me just add a small comment here. Randomly create and animate some musical notes while Beat is putting on his headphone. Okay, so I do know that this, what we are doing here does not serve any purpose in terms of damaging the enemy, but it helps to juice up the animation. Okay, because Beat is not actually using this musical notes to attack the enemy, but it's to indicate that he's listening to the rhythm of the music and attacking the enemy. Okay, so create the note here. Okay, and this is where we will need to okay, we also need to position the musical note. Okay, so we will also randomly place the musical notes starting position before we animate it. So even though we are, I've been saying that we are going to animate it, it's actually just a simple sort of floating movement. Okay, goes to new vector 2. Okay, where you are currently at plus random dot range. So around 0.5 to minus 0.5. Oh, hey, having homework is a good thing, because once you have graduated from studying, trust me when I say that you will definitely miss your studying days or your school days. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, we also need to randomly place it at a y-axis, so 0.5 to 1.0. Yep. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, hey, what's the online course about? Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, but 3D should be fun. Yeah. Because I've not actually tried, actually go on hands-on, try on 3D. So yeah, that could be fun. Okay, so schedule moving object SMO equals to random node dot get component. Yeah, I guess yeah, for me I don't actually discriminate, be it 2D or 3D, as long as it feels and looks good and plays good and the experience is there, the gameplay experience. Yeah, that to me is the most important. Yeah, be it either 3D or 2D. SMO dot Okay, wait. Let me take a look at that script. Do not move back. Okay. Delay before move. Delay before stop. Okay. So we have to call this method as well. Okay, so delay before move, let's say 0, and delay before stop. Oops. Okay, maybe we use a random number again. So maybe 0.5 to 0.7. Okay, and finally we can wait. Start. Okay, we can move the object. Okay, so that should move the musical note. Oh, okay, there's one more thing that we need to do, and that is to rotate it randomly. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to copy and paste, reset, special hits. For bit, okay, so over here, I'm going to copy and paste what I've already done over here. Do bit combo, so using this, I should be able to randomly rotate the musical note. Using this. Okay, so over here. Yep. Dot bit. Okay, so over here. Okay, let me just uncomment this portion here. U. Control K U. And this as well. Control K U. Angle. Nope. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, I do need the random angle though. Okay, so over here, this we will use the random node dot transform dot rotation. Okay, so this will randomly rotate the musical note either to the left or to the right. Okay, so let's give this a test and see what happens. Okay, my gut feeling tells me that it's not going to work, but let's see. Okay, sometimes it takes a while for Unity to start the game, and that's because it's trying to sort of repack the sprite sheets. Yeah, okay. So once this appears, okay, that means the game is about to start. Okay. So if this works, once I activate Beat's special skill, oops. Okay, we should see some musical notes appear. Huh. Okay, so they did appear, but the animation is not really there, and we need to change their starting position as well. Okay. Oh, okay, and the reason why the animation was also weird is because we have not attached a rigid body 2D to it. Okay, so that was my bad. Okay, let me just take a look over here. Okay. Transform. Okay, maybe 0.1 to 0.2. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, sometimes it's good that things do not work, so that you can learn from it. So it's the same thing in life. Okay, you need to fail in order to succeed. Okay. Okay, no more errors now, but we do not see any animations. Impulse. Okay. Okay, delay before stop. Let's see. Maybe we can increase the delay so that it moves. Okay, let me take a look at the script here. Direction to move. Okay. Oh, okay. Direction to move. Fast mode. Okay, and that's because we have not set the direction to move. Okay, so in terms of the direction to move, okay, we'll make it random as well. So random dot range, so around maybe 1.0 to 3.0, or we could actually okay, so before doing this, okay, let me just do it here. Move x equals to random.range 1.0 to 3.0. Okay, so if random.range 0 to is equals to 1, okay, we will make it move towards the reverse direction. So times minus 1. So over here, so this is to make sure that the random force that we push on the x-axis will not become 0, which is no force applied. So move x, okay, random dot range, okay, 1.0, 3.0. Okay, maybe let's reduce the range. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Okay, so now we have the musical notes finally moving. Okay, so that means we just need to reduce the delay before stopping them, so that they won't fly so far away, but just to above beats head. Okay, so yeah, so I just need to change this to say 0.5 to 0.7. Oh, okay, and there's one more thing that we actually can do, and that is to make it such that the 3 notes, or the 3 to 4 notes, appear at different timings. So to do that, let's see, what can we do? We could delay the creation of each of the musical notes. Okay. So each musical note will appear one at once, one at a time. So that will be a better animation. Yeah. Okay. Okay, but for today's live stream, I will stop here because I have to go off for lunch. But okay, look forward to the next live stream okay, which will be either tomorrow or the day after next. Okay. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's live stream. Okay, so the next game patch will be out in 48 hours. So if you have not done so, you can follow Twitter for when that is live. But have a great day ahead, and see you soon. Cheers and see ya.